guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sarah and you are watching Sarah's Fun World. आज की इस वीडियो होने वाली है क्राफ्ट के बारे में। तो क्राफ्ट मतलब क्या होने वाला है इस वीडियो में? इस वीडियो में हम बनाने वाले हैं समोसा गिफ्ट रैपिंग। ओके, so without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel and you are new on my channel, so let's go down and subscribe to my channel. Like today's video, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to share with your friends and family members. So without wasting much time, let's go ahead and now let's get started. For that, you will need a paper which is 5 by 5 inches. So let's cut out this paper by 5 by 5 inches. Now this you can mark 4 sides of 1 centimeter, or you can mark 3 sides. There are 3 sides only, but for convenience I have marked 1 extra side also. So now take your scale and press or fold this for 3 sides, only 3 sides, like this. Keep your scale here and mark like this. 1, 2 and 3. Do not fold the 4th side, that is your left hand side. Now fold this side till this line only, till the line only. Okay, yes, perfect. Now it is okay. And apply glue on this side. The glue must not be too much or not too less also. Okay. It should be applied evenly. Now fold this to here. Fold this in the inner side. Now it is done. Now take a scissor and cut the remaining parts. Now we are cutting the excess part. Now this is what we want. Now open this like this. And now you can see the lines which we have drawn. Apply glue on one side only. Now let's braid this also evenly. We want it like this. Now let's fold this. Now the one side is over. Now keep it like this. Okay. And then press it once again. Now you can oversee this that there are 2 corners. You have to match them. And fold it. Press it here. Now apply glue on this line, this folded line. And press it once again. Press it tightly or else it will be not fine. And before doing this, you can add what is your gift, like the necklace, ring, or cashew nuts, chocolates, and after then pack this upper side. So this is how we have to make our card. Now let's make it more decorative. You can decorate this with just drawing some smiley faces or some funny faces, or you can just take a stamp and place it on it. You can get happy birthday stamps in the market, or you can just there are various kind of stapler designs. You can cut out that design very sharply and then apply it, or you can take the matching color paper for your packing gift and you can draw your favorite faces or trees, or you can draw anything drawing you want, like flowers, smiley faces, or cupcakes, cakes, candles, balloons, etc. Or you can simply draw on it and then cut out and color it if you want, or you can just cut out it and stick it here. Now I have drawn this face and I have cut out these small triangles from the top and the bottom, also from this side and from this side. I have drawn this smiley face. You can write happy birthday, you can stamp here, you can add stickers, you can do whatever decoration you want. So thanks for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, and if you like the video, give a big thumbs up and comment down below. Thank you.